Hi children, today we are going to discuss about equivalent fractions. Do you know how to write equivalent fractions? Yes, let us learn today how to write. First of all, what is a fraction? In equivalent fraction, what is a fraction? Fraction is nothing but a part of whole. Fraction is nothing but a part of whole, right? Let us come to this equivalent fraction. How to write equivalent fraction? Let us see. What is the definition of equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction are the fractions that have different numerator and denominator but are equal to the same value. Equivalent fractions are the fractions that have different numerator and denominator are equal to the same number. Let us see. We will take one example. I am taking one fraction 1 by 2. So we have to write equivalent fraction for this fraction. Okay. I am multiplying this fraction with one number, that is 2. Okay. Equivalent fraction is how to write means we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Equivalent fraction is nothing but we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. Now do 1 2's 2. 2 2's equals to 4. So 1 by 2 equivalent fraction is equals to 2 by 4. Yes, 2 by 4. Now we'll write one more. 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 fraction 1 by 2 is I am multiplying with number 3. Okay. Multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay. Now do this. 1 3's 3, 2 3's equals to 6. This is also one equivalent fraction for this fraction. Okay. How to check is it equivalent fraction or not? Just cross multiply. Okay. Cross multiply, then we will get same value. See. Cross multiply means what? We have to multiply the fraction of this numerator with denominator, second denominator, and second numerator, first denominator. 1 4 is equals to 2 2's. Okay, 2 2's. 2 into 2. 1 4 equals to 4. 2 2's equals to 4. So here we are having same value, right? So 2 by 4 is the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Now check this 3 by 6. Is 3 by 6 is equivalent fraction or not? 1 by 2 is equals to 3 by 6, right? Now cross multiply here. Okay. 1 6 and 3 2's. Yes, 1 6 is equals to how much? Very good, 6. And 3 2's equals to how much? Yes, 6 only. So here we are getting same value both sides. So 3 by 6 is also equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Now we can write equivalent fractions of 1 by 2 is equals to 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. Okay. If we continue, we can write more equivalent fractions. We will take some examples and write. Let us see this exercise. Write equivalent fraction for each of the following. Here we have to write how many equivalent fractions? Yes, 3 equivalent fractions we have to write for the given fraction. What is the given fraction? 5 by 7. Yes, equivalent fraction how to write? Multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. So I am taking first number 2. Okay, I am multiplying numerator with 2 and denominator with 2. We have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay, 5 2's equals to how much? 10. 7 2's equals to how much? 14. Okay, now we'll go to next equivalent fraction. 5 by 7, I am multiplying this fraction with number 3. Okay, 5 3's equals to, yes, 15, and 7 3's equals to, very good, 21. Yes, we want one more equivalent fraction, right? So take one more number. I am multiplying this given fraction with number 4. Okay, 5 4's equals to 20, and 7 4's equals to, yes, 28. Okay, these are the equivalent fraction for this given fraction. Right here, 10 by 14 and 15 by 21, 20 by 28. Are these equivalent fractions or not? How to check? Yes, if you do cross multiply, we'll get same answer. Okay, let us cross multiply this number. 5 by 7 and 10 by 14. Yes, just check once, cross multiply these both. Okay, 5 into 14 and 10 into 7. Yes, 5 14 is equals to, or 14 5 is equals to, yes, 70, and 10 7 is equals to 70. Here see, we got same answer, 70 and 70. So 10 by 14 is the equivalent fraction for the given fraction 5 by 7. Okay, if you want to check these two, you can check like this. Okay, now come to this number 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the given fraction. We have to write 3 equivalent fraction for this given fraction. 2 by 3. I am multiplying with numerator and denominator with the same number, that is 2. Okay, 2 2's equals to 4 and 3 2's equals to 6. So 4 by 6 is the one equivalent fraction for 2 by 3. Okay, I am taking in ascending order 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can take any number. Suppose 2 by 3 means you can take 7. Okay, multiply the numerator and denominator with the 7. Okay, or else multiply this 2 by 3 is 9. Take any number and multiply numerator and denominator. Here I am taking in ascending order. Yes, 2, next 2 by 3. The given fraction 2 by 3. I am multiplying with the number 3. 2 3 is equals to 6 and 3 3 is equals to 9. So 6 by 9 is the another equivalent fraction for 2 by 3. Yes, we want one more equivalent fraction. Yes, take any number 2 by 3. I am taking number 5 here. Okay, 2 5 is equals to 10, very good, and 3 5 is equals to 15. So 10 by 15 is also a equivalent fraction of the given fraction 2 by 3. Understand? Can you try this 4 by 5 and 2 by 5? Yes, multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Whatever it is, multiply the numerator and denominator with same number if you want to get equivalent fractions. How to check equivalent fractions? Yes, just to do cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply. How to do cross multiply? In the first fraction, numerator multiply this numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of second fraction, and next second fraction numerator with the first fraction denominator. So if you want to, if we will get same answer both sides, then it is a equivalent fraction for the given fraction. Hope you understand the class.